Hello, welcome to another episode of Matti Makes. I'm Crystal, and today we're doing a Maxim unboxing. Yeah, I did an order a little while back. It actually came through really fast. Then life got busy here, so it did get set aside for a little bit. Maxim they had some things on sale, which was awesome, including their mystery bags. So I got some of those. And then I got some other stuff. So let's pop into the box. Oops, piece of paper. Those are always the best. Oh, good. It even gives me prices. Nice. So I will start at the top. A pound of unbranded sugars and cream cotton. So this is basically kitchen cotton. Ooh, good. It's all gray. So why I'm happy it's gray. Goes with just about anybody's kitchen. You don't have to worry about, oh, they're a blue kitchen or they're a red kitchen. Gray goes with everything. If you've seen any of my videos where I film upstairs in my house, my walls are gray. Makes the artwork pop. Is really nice. Sad to say we didn't get to painting the basement, which is where I'm filming now. Yeah, and it does look like I need to clean the basement. But all those bags down there, that's all wool. So there's no real cleaning that. It just stacks on top of each other as I process it down. Anyhow, yarn goodness. Nice bag, all sealed, 100% cotton, factory mill ends. So it's all labeled up really nice. Hopefully you can see it because when this is in front of my face, I can't see you. Filler test. Oh, this is pretty soft. It is a sugar cream. It's a little stiff, but it is really soft. You could do apparel with it, no problem. It's nice, heavy. I'd say a good number 4, maybe a little bit on its way to a number 5. So great for washcloths, scrubbies, because to make this little flower face scrubbies. Perfect for that. And my daughter would approve of the color because it's gray. Yes, good fun. Okay, I did order some sock yarn. They had some sock yarn on sale. Oh, I'm sorry. This big beautiful thing was $7.99 for a pound. So that's pretty good. And step softly. Yes. So I ordered some stuff softly. They were $4.79 each on sale. This is color rainbow. Looks like they ripped it up and pulled one out. It's a number 1. If you haven't guessed, it's sock yarn. So softly beautiful rainbows. It's soft, but you can definitely tell it's a woolly. Number 8, rainbow. Care instructions: machine wash on delicate setting in warm water. Tumble dry on low heat at delicate setting. Do not iron. Okay. Washable wool nylon yarn. Here we are. 75% superwash wool, 25% nylon, 100 grams. So for a basic pair of socks, one of these, we'll do 2 socks. But since I love knitting 2 at the same time, and looking at these color matching is going to be fun. But you can definitely tell they look different. Same but different. So color matching, I might have to pull out a little bit of one in order to get the colors to match. But they're very pretty. And I do knit 2 socks at the same time. So I always buy my sock yarn in sets of 2, no matter what the size is. Because a lot of them, especially if you do a stripe, it's like color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4, color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4. So if you do backwards through it, it's going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're going to have socks that are opposites. And that doesn't make me thrilled. So those are $4.79 each, and I couldn't stop at getting one. So I got another one, and this is called Spice Berry. And they take the heck out of this one. Okay. wonder next time if I order it in a set of 3, they'll all be in the same bag. This one looks color matched a lot better. But anyway, Spiceberry. Same 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and it does have that little bit of a stiffness from the superwash wool. But that does mean that it'll probably have a good wear to it. And for socks, that's what we want. See if we can knit some more socks. I'm excited. Okay. Now, more sock yarn. Okay. Which they put it all in one bag. This is gonna be fun. Okay. All in the same bag. What did I order? Trying to go straight down the list, which is hard when it's all shoved in the same bag. Okay. Anywho. We're going to start at the bottom of the list. Is it desert? Desert. Okay. Mary Maxim's desert. Elements. Sorry. Elements. Desert is the color. It is 151 yards, 80% agront, 20% wool. Number 3. I was thinking great hat yarn or shawl. I ordered 4 of them. Might need 2 for a hat, depending on the size of the hat. This one go on the table. Okay, 4 more. That means this is. Give me the color. DK Weights. Morning Air. Ooh, it's really pretty. So, Morning Air. All the yarny goodness. Next on the list. They're so much fun when they run around on their own. Oh, let me do these. Oh, Crochet socks. Oh, if I didn't mention Elements, which does say it's a sock yarn on here. It's a number 3. It's gonna be a heavy sock. They're $159 each, so that's why I bought 4 at $159 each. Good price. These guys, Crochet socks, Patron. This is the color. Sidewalk colors. Sidewalk. These are $3.19 each. So I got 2. Matching the lines on these shouldn't be an issue. So this is a number 1. It says it's a number 1. It's a pretty heavy number 1 though. So you'll definitely, if you get this, definitely do a sample swatch, because it might work up more like a number 2, depending on the needles you use or crochet hook. Anyway, it's Yarn Inspirations, Patrons, Crochet Socks FX, 1.75 ounces, which is 50 grams, 166 yards, which is 152 meters. It's 75% wool and 25% nylon. It's a pretty perfect sock yarn, and Sidewalk will go great for male or female. So I don't think there'd be any problems with that. And since it was the great price, I mean, it really is, $3.19, I decided to do another one. You see how beautiful that is? And the color is, show me. Geranium. See that geranium? That's pretty good. A little flecks of color in that, really pretty. Geranium, and one more. I always have to, oh, nope, this is one more of the Elements. This must be Embers. So it's a number 3. Still says it's a sock yarn. I still say it'll make great hats, but Embers, number 3. I like the colors. Colors are really cool. If I wouldn't shake. The shaking is just me. Or touching the camera, that would help too. There's more Crochet. Ooh. Yeah, this one's really cool. Also, I think this one would good for male or female. I can talk. Midnight. So it has blues with some shades of purple in there. But it really does look like the night sky. Totally cool. It's actually a little darker in person than it is coming up on camera. Pardon for the really bad fingernail painting job. I did them last Friday, but with working with wool, it just doesn't stay on. What do we have next? Ooh, bamboo. Oh, yes, I had to do some bamboo sock yarn. Total sock yarn buy. Can you tell? I have socks. I have several hundred pairs of socks in my future. That's just the way life is. These were 5. So Mary Maxim bamboo strap sock yarn. Size number 1. This is Ocean Blues. So it's superwash wool nylon and bamboo blend. So 50% of the superwash wool, 25% of the nylon, and 25% bamboo, which gives you that, makes it shinier, smoother, the plant fibers in there. And this was $5.59 of all, but they're huge, right? 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 437 yards or 400 meters, made in Turkey. So not sure, there's a weird little knot on the end. Looks like it's gonna sort itself out though. That's beautiful. I was only gonna order one of them, but I couldn't decide which color I wanted, so I had to get them both. And this is seagrass. So it has the blues, the greens, some grays. That's just so pretty. Go back there. All right, what do you have left? Then I had to do some, just represent cotton sock yarn. And this is Mary Maxim's cotton sock yarn. This is in the color Watery, which was $5.59 a ball. So good as far as that's concerned. Same as the bamboo, actually. It is a size 1. It is machine wash cold, lay flat to dry, so easy peasy there. Made in Turkey as well. 56% cotton, 35% acrylic, 9% polyamide, which is a lot like nylon. Or is nylon another name? But totally cool. Watery. There's a lot of blues in this order. Well, I guess I'd like 2 colors this order. Watery and winery, or winey. So it's pretty much all the colors I have in front of me. It is really pretty. So this is also the cotton sock yarn. It should work out pretty darn good. Back in there. So just so you can see the bar we're pulling, so cute. And for fun, especially on those cold winter days, we just want to curl up with the family and work on a good puzzle. Yep, I got a puzzle too. I'd like to live in a tree like that. That looks like fun. So there you are, Mary Maxim unboxing. Great place to get sock yarn. There is shipping on this one. Yeah, there is. You do pay for shipping, but it's not that big of a deal. If you get their book, the little flyers, it tells you in there how much the spending bracket or the cost bracket for what you're buying and how much the shipping will be. So you can easily estimate how much your shipping is going to be, which, might want to put an extra piece in there and they're trying to sell me clothing. I don't know why they sent that to me. Yeah. Yeah, okay, they sent me some bad mail in there, but that's life. Everything else was good. Anyway, I have another video to film, so I will see you all later, and happy crocheting, happy knitting.